In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to upgrade Opay business app. So let's say you just register your account or your business under the Opay business, and you're just interested in upgrading your account so that the limit on your account will be increased from sending out and receiving as well. So on your home page on your business app, you're gonna see upgrade account right here. So you can see upgrade under the purchase transfer menu like that. So you can click on upgrade account. You can click on upgrade account. I don't know why it's not going. So if that option is not working, you just have to scroll all the way down, then click on more. You can see more under the services. Then you're gonna see okay, I think not on this page, so let me go back. Okay, you can actually click on the three line at the top left. So once you click on that three line, then you can see your account name right there. So just then you see tier 1, so you're gonna see the current tier you are in. So you can also see upgrade your account level to increase transaction limit and enjoy more service. You can also click on that. So you can see enter your BVN because your BVN is actually requested. But if you don't want to follow this method, you can also click on the tier 1. So it's gonna show just like this. So scroll all the way down, then you can see upgrade. So which means you have to provide your BVN before you can proceed to upgrade your account. So for you to upgrade, it's just the same method that you actually follow when you're trying to create a personal account. So but then you have to provide your NEPA bill, more details about your business, so that you'll be able to upgrade your account successfully.